Palangama hai eriti manzar Ufawe fenilumung eriti manzar Palangama hai eriti manzar Ufawe fenilumung eriti manzar.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatima Ghaliyah Mohamed. Today I will tell you a story called Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time there lived a girl named Little Red Riding Hood, and she went to her grandma's house saying tra la 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 la. On the way she met a cunning wolf. Hello, little girl, where are you going? Hello, sir. I am going to my grandma's house behind those trees. Oh, how lovely. Why don't you take her some flowers to cheer her up? That's a great idea, sir. Thank you very much. Meanwhile, the cunning wolf rushed to Grandma's house, put Grandma in the wardrobe, dressed Grandma in the wardrobe, dressed in Grandma's clothes, and in Grandma's bed. Little Red Riding Hood picked some flowers for Grandma. A while later, Little Red Riding Hood arrived at Grandma's house and stood in surprise. Grandma, Grandma, why is your nose so big? Oh, the better to smell you, my dear. Grandma, Grandma, why are your eyes so big? Oh, the better to see you, my dear, said the wolf in Grandma's voice. Grandma, Grandma, why is your mouth so big? All the better to eat you. I am not Grandma. I am Mr. Wolf. Poor Little Red Riding Hood screamed, ah, and rushed into the forest. A woodcutter heard a loud noise in the forest and rushed there and hit the wolf right in the head. Bam! And saved Little Red Riding Hood. And Grandma, hope you enjoy this story. The moral of this story is to never ever trust strangers. Jazakallah khairan.
Palangama hai eriti manzar Ufawe fenilumung eriti manzar